Right chaps, Ian's going to start Kate up just to hear what the engine starts, what the engine sounds like. So this is basically just to show what we're pulling out, which is a 1.6. Okie dokie, that's good enough, mate. Spot on. That's the last time this little motor's going to run in.
Well, I can tell everybody that this right here is the carburettor.
Yay!
And this is the air filter.
Yes.
Beyond that, don't know.
What, is that
a cam belt?
That's a cam belt?
Yes! That was such a guess. Hello.
Is that a single barrel or twin barrel? Susie's learning.
Twin?
Yes, it is a twin. Well, I say it's a double, yeah.
It looks like.
Well done.
Cool.
And where's the camshaft?
It's a good question because I'm not entirely
sure.
Crankshaft? Don't know.
Pistons? Where's the battery?
Hold on. Well, that's the battery. That one's easy.
Yep. So you got the air filter. Where's the throttle linkage?
Not a clue.
At the
Don't
front.
know what it. I know that that's the manifold though.
Where's the Okay, well
Just
done. Which manifold? Because we've got two manifolds on the engine, yeah?
Oh.
In and out.
Why is
That's
is that another one?
That's the out manifold.
Oh, okay, so that's the ones we deal in.
Intake, yeah.
Intake manifold.
That's
yes.
the one. Well done, young Susie.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, definitely need to brush up a little bit, but I'm pleased so far. So
we're going to be
when we're going to put that engine on your scooter?
Well, I don't know. We saw a couple for sale on eBay or something with little petrol motors attached. Apparently they can go 50 miles an hour. Mine's 17, so 50 would be a nice step up.
Yeah,
but yeah,
we've got that electric one down there now, which does about 20 miles an hour.
About 17.
17. And we've been joking about putting a little petrol motor on
jet
it.
engine.
Or a jet engine, yeah. What are you laughing at?
The idea of a jet engine on that and Susie hanging on for dear life.
Oh, I would not be hanging on for dear life. I'd be flying along.
Right, we're getting on. That was the engine start, last engine start. Okay, mate. So I'm going to turn the camera off and we're going to get the bonnet off. Okay. Just going to film the crane removal. All right, dude. Oh, I fucking love that T-shirt, man. That is brilliant, mate. Check this freaking T-shirt out, man.
It's not my channel. This is my mate's channel. I'm Classic Mini Garage.
I was looking to tag you on a post yesterday, mate, and you weren't coming out. Are you untaggable or something?
No. Should be.
It's Classic Mini Garage.
Yeah.
No, Classic Mini was coming out a few channels, but yours wasn't.
All right.
And I don't know why. And then, you know,
if you put my name, sometimes you put my name, Paul Jeffries, it will link it to the channel anyway.
Right. Okay. Is that a new car, mate?
Yeah, it's the car.
Bloody lovely that is, man. That's very nice. Is that yours?
Yeah.
Thanks for coming over, dude.
Okay. Right.
Look, this is Jim behind the camera.
Nice to meet you.
That's Jim's Mini, right? Again, that's Emmanuel's Beetle. See Emmanuel's new Transit?
Yeah.
500 switteroos, man. Let me show you the engine.
Portable storage.
Can we lift this off?
Yep.
Come on, bit.
How you doing, kid? You alright again?
Yeah, Sam.
Oh, I like your cross t-shirt.
Oh shit.
You've got to clip the front.
Yeah, well done, that's it. Upwards. That's it, thanks for that. Well done, dude.
The quarter will be one hand.
It's the new block, man. Check the new block.
Oh yeah.
2 litre from a Sierra injection. These are supposedly a good basis for a good
block,
yeah. It's got a better cylinder head.
Yeah.
Apparently.
Yeah.
It's got already, but it needs work, like so.
Yeah.
And yeah, I've got some bits and pieces, and I think Gav might help me rebuild this like we rebuilt that one, but probably be sending that cylinder head off to be reworked.
For HPA.
Yeah, they seem to know.
Jeffries.
Yeah, and I know which cam I'm gonna go for. Which cam kit. He's also got some nice pistons, and all the rest is bog standard carbs. You know.
Keeping it 2 litre or?
Well, it's probably gonna overbore it.
2.1.
Well, I don't know if there's any point in going extra for no reason. Just next oversize, really.
Okay.
So it might be like 2053 cc. You know what I mean? Should we get the crane out?
Yep.
I'm going to make you a cup of tea. Coffee.
Now we're on. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this with you.
Yeah.
I'll pick it up in the week because I'll pop back in a bit. I'll bring them
Where
in.
are you off to?
Bring them in around.
Where are you off to? Oh, you bring the mini round?
Yeah.
Ooh, freaking awesome, man.
I put the head back on.
Next to that?
Put the head back on it yesterday, so.
Oh, fucking
I'll give it
man.
give
That
it
would be lovely, mate. He's bringing his souped up mini over.
Oh, no.
Right. Okay, now. So, okay. I just don't want to scrape it. I can lift it. I'm just thinking about his. Is it alright if I just pull it?
Yeah, just pull it.
Hang on. Let go.
It's all right.
If I bring it a bit more.
If you lower your end.
Yeah. Sweet. Is this the double pump action? Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Let me pull it.
Right, you got it?
Yeah, I think so. We're at it again.
Make sure that bottom.
Is it?
It's flat.
Yeah.
Sweet. All right then, off you go, Paul.
I'll pop back in a bit.
Take your time, man, because we're going to be like 3-4 hours here.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Or probably more, because Ian takes forever.
Go on then, I'll see you in a bit.
Yeah, see you in a bit,
Like,
mate.
Paul. Have you showed them the transit engine one?
Oh yeah, they wanted to see the engine. How do you remove this engine, man? Do you get all the front off then? And it just sort of pulls off this way?
Well, we're not checking that out today.
Oh, is this not? Okay.
This isn't the
Can't
one.
be
This
always-
isn't the engine.
Alright, I'm going to just bring it forward a bit. Shall we,
Okay.
you got it?
Yep. Not
Yeah.
because I see it.
No, they've seen your picture. You're already on the bleeding
I've
shore.
seen you as well.
Right, we're dropping the crossmember assembly, yeah?
Yeah, if you could just jump
Lower
lower
it.
the cap very slowly.
Yep.
Go on. Okay, stop. Do you want to try and smack this steering column down there?
Yeah, Jim, pull to your left a bit, mate. That's it.
Come in.
I don't know, mate.
Is it slipping? Try a bit more lowering on her.
Yeah.
Put more weight on her.
So we take the jack off it, mate? Take the jack off?
Draw it off.
Yeah. Woo! Let's pull it out, man.
The arm.
Drag it.
Hold on, what's the front? There you go.
Fucking brilliant, man.
Front assembly out.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Okay. The other side wants the same treatment. Right. Oops. Okay. That's the thing with the axle and springs. So we've got the put the shock absorbers off, and the, I don't know what that's called, anti-trump bar or something, and the front's off as well, over there. Okay, and the tranny's filling up, and the drive is, yeah, that's the drive. Anyway, I'm happy with the day. Just want to say a big thank you to Ian, Jim and Paul Jeffries for helping out today. You dudes are awesome. Thank you very much.